Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure device time, date, and time zone match network values, because OAuth tokens fail with skewed clocks. Next, confirm connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out DNS or captive portals. Once done, open your Google account recovery page and have your backup email or phone ready for verification codes. This speeds the next steps and prevents lockouts if you need to reauthorize devices. You now remove stale credentials. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, and remove the affected account to clear token cache. This forces a fresh sign-in. Then clear app or browser cache and cookies, or delete saved Google passwords so corrupted data doesn't persist. Make sure Google Play services and the Google app are updated. These components handle authentication flows. Once updated, reopen the app or browser and attempt sign-in so the system issues a new, valid token for your device. Finish by signing in and completing any two-step verification prompts. If SMS or authenticator codes fail, use a backup code or your recovery phone. If sign-in still fails, try a different device or a private browser window to bypass extensions and stored cookies. This isolates client issues. Make sure to review security alerts in the Google account and, as a last resort, trigger account recovery to reset your password and reauthorize devices. This restores access and prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.